Today, we will be testing a trend following strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend following strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 575 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator with the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator and a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend following strategy. And so the source video says most accurate scalping indicator ever created free on TradingView. Interesting claims made by the source video. Obviously, as I've said multiple times before, it's hard to make the claim that an indicator is the best indicator ever without testing every single indicator, every single combination of indicators, every single setting. And so just a little bit of a hard to prove claim, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the indicator or strategy isn't profitable in general. So what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen, and the first indicator we will add is going to be the target trend indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We're going to jump into the settings and change the trend length to 21. And then go into the styles, scroll down to the bottom and uncheck these three selections right here. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen and jump into the settings of this one as well. And what you'll want to do is just make sure that the signal filter is set to 15, long 20, short 9, signal 9. Then jump into the styles and uncheck all these selections throughout here except for the buy, sell, and bar selection at the top. Then go ahead and click OK. You can go in and go to the three dots here, go to the visual order and bring to the front. If you do that, the bar coloration will stay colored like it is here. But honestly, it's not necessary to have the bar coloration. Essentially, you're just looking for these arrows here. And so what we're looking for a sell trade example, so we are looking for when the target trend shows a downtrend. So you have the orange arrow, you have this line trading above price action, and then you get a sell tag like this here from the Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal indicator. And that would be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade here, put our stop just kind of right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see price just kind of consolidating here for a moment, but making a slow stair step down before a nice push, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is we're looking for when the target trend is bullish. So you can see we have a green, kind of light blue, teal colored arrow right here. And you have this line trading below price action. And the bar coloration is also that kind of teal color. Then we get a buy tag like this here from the Forex Buy Sell Signal indicator. That would be our signal to then enter into a long. We put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right below this kind of pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. and you can see price kind of dips down here, then makes this really strong push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one, so you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 38% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,800. It would have put your total profit and loss at a negative of $2,000 altogether. So again, most accurate scalping indicator, or most accurate indicator in general, definitely not a valid claim to make in this case. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 56 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator. We had right at a 74% win rate and a total profit right at $19,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags, as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that does it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.